have discussed what it takes to decode your success, right? You need to get skilled. What are the skills you need to acquire? You need to learn the language of the digital world. You need to know how to create high converting digital assets in the form of digital courses, PDFs, templates, mini courses, ebooks. What are your videos, podcast, blog, articles? They're all digital assets for you. The list, the people who keep subscribing to your programs, right? I said over 12,000 people list we have built in the last 1 year alone. Apart from that, I'm not even counting the past 4 years stuff, right? So where are these people? They are in my list building system. The name, contact details, and email IDs is my asset, right? What is the asset of Facebook, LinkedIn? The database of their customers. They have entire profile is their asset. Why is the valuation of Facebook, LinkedIn, Ola, Uber, Swiggy so high? Paytm. What is their asset? The data that they have of their customers is their asset. What's your asset? Where are the names, contact number, and details of your target audience? You have been a teacher for 15, 20, 25 years. An Excel sheet, first of all, most people don't have, or you have it in Excel sheets, or simply in the phone book, not put at one place, right? It's like gold. That data is gold for you. Yes. Because you need strategies, Lokesh. More than tools, you need I strategize my own business completely, though I have a team who does the execution. Okay. So very important to learn how to strategize your business. And if you don't know how to strategize, work with someone who can do it for you. The problem is then we look at money. We're not willing to invest in our growth, right? So someone's, there is a very popular joke, right? How do you make 2 crores in stock market? How do you make 2 crores in stock market? When you invest 4 crores, right? In anything that you want to grow, even if you buy a land, you invest some first, right? You invest, then only it grows. In the offline businesses, tell me, if you want to start a coaching center on offline, how much it is going to cost you? If you want to set up the offline office, you will have to give deposit, then there will be rentals, then there will be interior cost, but there are fixed cost and there is recurring cost. All these costs get saved in the online world. I cover all of that in much detail in my KDM intensive. Okay, I'm just going to skim through. Most importantly, you need to know how to build your high converting profitable digital assets. You need to understand the language of digital marketing. Okay, analysis, automation, strategy, SEO, content, research, not learning how to write my own Facebook campaign, how to set up my autoresponder. Okay, that are execution. As an entrepreneur, you are higher up in the ladder, but what you are trying to do, you are trying to take away entry level jobs when you try to do these things on your own. Okay, don't be an implementer. You have been gifted intellect. You have been gifted intellect, right? Which is highly paid. Do you think people pay you for your mind or for your hard work? If you're being paid for hard work, then maids, drivers, labor, construction workers, their salary should be more, no? Whose salary is more? CEO of an organization or the laborer salary is more? So are you being paid for hard work or are you being paid for your intellect? Right? So decide whether you want to function from your intellect or you want to function from low level jobs, get high income skills or acquire low income skills. Just because, you know what, I keep saying this, okay? So you want to drill a hole in the wall of your home to hang that lovely painting of yours. Okay. So what you do, instead of using, either most of you will be using nail and hammer. Some of you will say, okay, let me buy a drilling machine. But some of you will say, no, I need a drilling machine. So I will go and set up my factory and create that one drilling machine so I can use it to drill a hole in the wall. Tell me, is that a right decision as an entrepreneur? If you need a drilling machine to drill a hole, will you go and buy, or will you go and create your factory to have that one drilling machine? This is exactly what most knowledge givers are doing in the market, right? So what you must do, what tools you need, what you must outsource. Copywriting is a very important skill you need to acquire. Thank you so much. Lokesh is saying my intellect. Yes, right? Because that is, you're higher up in the ladder, right? So learn the language of the digital world. Okay. You have to know some copywriting skills, which is the valuable communication, not trying to become an author, not what Savand is doing copywriting, not that kind of copywriting. This is value communication of your business, which you get from my GPS system. Okay. As a business, you should know how to express your business that creates value in the life of your target audience, and that's copywriting. Okay. And then salesmanship. Okay. It is no longer pushing what you have to offer. If you do that way, no sales, zero sales. It's what people need. Do you have to offer that? So there is a different approach to salesmanship and conversions. More importantly, you need to learn various aspects of entrepreneurship if you want to build a serious business. If it is a side business for you, side income, then I am too advanced for you. Okay, this program is not for you. If you're trying to build a side income, then this program is not for you. Okay, because I teach you end to end how to become an entrepreneur and create your business from scratch and scale it, because I have done it myself. 7 diverse businesses in the past, right? And I'm doing it right now for my speaking business, right? So you need to know various entrepreneurship mindset, right? A growth mindset. That is, what is an investment? What is in a spend? What should I do? What should I outsource? What will be my recurring cost? Okay, does it makes to invest in these tools or one time, or does it make to have recurring cost every month? These are kind of questions you have to ask. Is my idea viable? What is the feasibility of this idea? Should I create a course on entrepreneurship, or should I create a life mastery course? Should I create a course on recipes or travel, or should I create a course on empowering women to take up leadership roles? If you are capable of doing whatever I just said, if you are multi-talented, you can create multiple courses. What should you create first, right? How should you position yourself? And growth mindset, which is an employee entrepreneur mindset. Most people work from a very fixed mindset, right? And you need some tools, right? Digital systems and tools, and you need to know your fears and overcome your fears, right? And most importantly, action taking, right? Only then you are ready to scale your business, when your knowledge business has the potential to be WWW business model, whatever, wherever, whenever, without worrying about affordability.